When you have not been able to open or close your garage door for several days, you really should talk to a professional company that may resolve the problem. Occasionally, the situation could be resolved within a few minutes. However, minus the proper tools or expertise to help make these repairs, it might not happen whatsoever. Attempting to repair a garage door might be a problematic situation. It could also be dangerous when you are employing a heavy garage door or trying to replace the torsion springs. That's why you must call SOS Garage Door Opener San Leandro, California, a trustworthy business which can help you resolve these complaints.